In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to join tournaments in Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, to begin, you are going to need your email verified, and also you're going to need two-factor authentication on your account. Now, as you can see, if you go on Fortnite at the top here, there is a section that says compete, and there's going to be a whole bunch of different tournaments that are available, and the dates are right here. Now, once they are actually live, you will be able to join them. There will be a join button if they are live. As you can see, these are in 5 hours. Now, the next thing you're going to have to do is you're just going to have to go to Buy Epic, and then there are 2 ranked games that you can play. But that's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.